Hello friends, I hope you all are well. Here is the folder structure of my another project with the name Student Placement Report Generator. So now I am going to explain all about this particular folder structure. So the first folder is with the name config, in which I put one file with the name mongoose, which is basically responsible for building the connection with the database. The another folder is with the name controller, in which there are two files. The first one is with the name admin, another one is with the name user. So admin controller is responsible for performing all the operations related to the admin request, and user controller file is responsible for performing all of the actions related to the user. And another folder is with the name csv, in which I am storing the file with extension .csv, and this particular file will get generated whenever my client will request for getting this particular file. And this is another folder with the name generators. So that particular csv file I am generating using this particular utility with the name csvgen. Another file is with the name jobs. This particular file I am using to generate or to get the jobs details by using the API. And here is the another file which is responsible for generating the password that will get associated with the various accounts on signing up, right? And here is another folder with the name middleware. In this I am storing all of the files that will confirm or that will check the data after collecting it from the user. And the files in this particular folder are also responsible for checking the authenticity of the user to stop any invalid request from unauthenticated user. Here is another folder with the name model, in which I am maintaining the entire structure of the various tables. Here is another folder with the name public, in which all of the files that are going to get downloaded on my client side will get stored, like CSS files, images, or the JS files. Here is another folder with the name router, in which again I am maintaining two further files. One is with the name admin and another is one related to the index. So index file is having all of the routes whenever my user will request for something. And here in this particular file I am storing all of the routes that will be accessible to my admin. And here is the last folder with the name view, in which I am maintaining all of the HTML files. So all of the files that will get interacted on the admin login are here in this particular folder, and rest of the files that are common for both are here outside the admin folder. And here are some of the files that are general, like server file, in which the entire server related code is there, which will basically start my server. So that's all about the folder of my project. Thanks.